I would like to present our research entitled "The Role of Business Actor Characteristic in Increasing Agritourism Profit Multi-analysis Approach in Malang Raya, Indonesia." Uh, as a preface, we know that the importance of agritourism is the first is strengthen agriculture sector and overall is and also economic performance, and the second is boost community income, especially a farmer, and then the third is increases farmer profit while promoting the role of agriculture to society and proven positive impact in Indonesia. And for the research gap, Indonesian agritourism research is still limited and fragmented, and the dominant topic is ecotourism, sustainability, land suitability, and rural development. And then no previous studies that integrate these three domains simultaneously. Thus, our research focus is the first is business actor. We focus in business actor as the unit of analysis, the business actor that rules the agritourism activity, and the second identify characteristics that influence business performance, and the third is integrated actor attributes, policy perception, and vegetation diversity. Agritourism research in Indonesia, the red cluster, we try to cluster many research in Indonesia. The first is ecotourism and economic impact, and the second, the blue one, is technical aspect and stakeholder engagement. The third is green one, land suitability and land use. The yellow one is about the environmental and management and sustainability, and the purple about the rural context and fruit production. The brown is region specific studies, including Central Java, and the gray one, the last one, is tourism destination and stakeholder interpretation. Data and method we use univariate regression, but we only have primary data from 22 agrotourism units in Malang. So we run using orange data mining regarding the limited number of data. And from the method, we use univariate regression, relief factor ranking, decision tree classification, k-means clustering, and association rule meaning. We can see the diagram. This is the diagram how to analyze the data. We use the non-parametric feature ranking because of the limited number of data, and then decision tree classification, k-means clustering, and association rule meaning. From the non-parametric feature ranking, we know that amusement park, univariate regression, and homestay are the strongest predictor of agrotourism profit. And fauna diversity and area size also show notable influence and contribute meaningfully to profit variation. And the third is variables such as vegetation types, shopping place, and restaurants have minimal impact and are less relevant for profit prediction. Overall, experience enhancing facilities, particularly amusement parks, homestay, and fauna, serve as the key determinant of agritourism financial performance. From the decision tree result, expectation about agritourism development are the strongest determinant of managers' policy understanding, and managers with high expectations show consistently strong policy literacy, while those with low expectation display weaker and more varied understanding. Visit frequency also matters. Rare visitors have low understanding, while occasional visitors surprisingly show higher comprehension than frequent visitors. This finding suggests that targeted policy education is needed, especially for managers with low expectation, and that community engaged development strategies may enhance both visitation and policy awareness. And clustering with k-means, We can conclude three cluster. The first one is eco-education and organic-based tourism, lower policy understanding, younger managers. The second cluster is consists of interactive farm and animal-based tourism, highest policy understanding. And the third cluster consists of product and fruit-based tourism, moderated policy literacy, diverse age range. The aids show different correlation pattern with policy understanding across cluster, indicating that policy literacy is multidimensional. This cluster can guide targeted education, tailored marketing, and differentiated facility for development strategies to improve agritourism performance. Association analysis with association rules. A total of 28 association rules reveal clear behavioral patterns among tourism managers. Education, the first is education, high school graduated are the most frequent visitor and from the largest segment. Key visit drivers, accessibility and facility quality consistently appear as dominant influencing factor. For gender patterns, male manager visit more often and respond strongly to recommendation and availability facilities. And for satisfaction, higher satisfaction is linked to good facilities and positive word of mouth. And the conclusion is agritourism success in Malang Raya is strongly influenced by amusement park, homestay, and fauna diversity, which significantly increase business profits. Policy understanding is shaped by managers' expectation, higher expectation correlated with stronger policy literacy. The mixed method approach, such as regression, decision tree, cluster, and association rules, reveals three decision segment of business actor based on policy understanding and facility satisfaction. This segment provide a foundation for more targeted and effective agritourism strategies. The study highlight the need to strengthen policy education for business actor and develop facilities and attraction aligned with the manager and visitor preference. Findings support the formulation of more competitive and sustainable agritourism policies in Indonesia. Thank you very much.